Hello, welcome to Narellan Auto Parts Plus. Today I've got a 2008 VE Commodore Sv6 3.6 LY7 V6 and 6-speed manual. Got a set of wheels on it, we've got some doors, we've got a bonnet, a spoiler on the back. We'll get our compliance plate while we're over here. Black cloth trim in there. There's our compliance plate down in there, if you can see that. Get a walk around and I'll pop the bonnet for you. Tow bar. A couple of tiny marks on the rims, but they're not too bad. I'll pop the bonnet. Front bar. There you go. Get my little bonnet stay. Jump in here, get a mileage for you. So it's cloth trim. Airbag front, okay. $176,710 kilometres. Standard all throughout. So there it is. One VE Commodore for dismantling at Narellan Auto Parts Plus. Give the guys a call on 02 4646 1733 and they'll help you out. Okay. Thanks for watching and bye for now.